Hello everyone, thank you once again for clicking on this video. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Are you thinking of making special and authentic Ghana like soup? Then all you need is this recipe. You will love the outcome, so just trust the process. If today been your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Do well to subscribe to my channel, also turn on the post notification bell and be part of this beautiful family. So now without wasting my time, let's dive right in. To begin with this light soup, we will start by cooking our vegetables. For vegetables, I have some garden eggs. I'm using the red ones. I also have pepper, which is Scotch bonnet pepper, fresh tomatoes, 2 medium-sized onions. I'll add some water to it. I'll cover and allow it to cook until the vegetables is soft enough for us to blend. And after 10 to 15 minutes, our vegetables is looking soft and ready for us to blend. So all you need to do is to allow this to cool down a little bit and blend it, and I'll be doing this off camera. So whilst that is going on, let's go ahead and start with the base of the soup. So for the soup, I have some dry fish. I'm using assorted dry fish right here. You can as well use any dry fish of your choice. Today, as I said, I'm making a typical Ghanaian light soup recipe using just dry fish. So after going with all the dry fish that you want, I'll also go in with some salted beef and pork, which is totally optional, but trust me, when you go in with some salted beef and pork, it is definitely a game changer. You will love the results and you will thank me later. Alright, so moving forward, I'll also go in with some tomato paste. You can use just a fresh one if that is what you want. Next, I'll also go in with some blended garlic and ginger paste and also some chopped onions, some salty taste as well, and a little bit of water to steam this very well. For the seasoning, go ahead and use any seasoning of your choice. All right, go in with enough water to steam this very well, because we really want the stock around this protein to really taste really good. So I'll cover it and allow it to steam for about 30 minutes, and afterwards I'll give it a good mix. And after giving it a good mix, I'll cover it for the last time for about 10 minutes and it should be ready. So whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, also commenting on my videos. Fam, I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after extra 10 minutes, the protein is nice and ready. So I'll go in with my blended vegetables, which I cooked earlier on. I'll go in with some water. Light soup should be light, so the consistency is always to your preference. Alright, so moving forward, I also go in with some Eden fruit or precursor to give the soup extra flavor. I also go in with some okra. Since I'm going to be enjoying this soup with fufu, I will cover it and allow it to cook until it's nice and ready. Alright, so now we've been cooking the soup for about 30 to 40 minutes now, and it's almost ready. So I have this apatire, which I would also love to go in with it as well. So that's what you see me adding to it. Use any protein of your choice. I'll give it a good mix and allow it to cook for extra 10 to 15 minutes, and the soup should be ready. So while that is going on, if you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. So now all that is left is for us to serve ourselves and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe, Also turn on the post notification bell and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you so much and kindly stay blessed. Bye.